Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella Simbi, and if you are new, you're welcome, and please subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this braided wig. I'm going to show you how I put the beads, everything. So I'm going to be using expression braids color 39, and I'm going to cut it into 4. I used 3 packs in total. So just cut your braids in 4, then pull the ends to get rid of the blank cut, then brush it, and we'll continue.
That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside.
So guys, I'm going to be using Swiss lace, and I'm going to sew it right here off camera. Then after that, I'm going to cut off the wig cap underneath the lace that we won't be needing, and then I will put the wig cap back to the mannequin. Then we can start doing our measurements.
Talk on the phone every night, love to hear your voice.
So guys, right here my lace is 5 inches, and it's also 5 inches, so I'm going to do 5 by 5 inches, and right there I'm marking 2.5 inches because I want to know the exact middle part. So right here just draw a half circle, then on the back draw another half circle. Then the braids, that's how they are going to flow. The other ones are going to flow from the center to the front, center to the sides, and center to the back. That's what I'm doing right here. Right here I'm ventilating on 5 vertical lines, ventilating 1 row and skipping 1 row, ventilating 1 row and skipping 1 row, going like that. I'm going to ventilate about 1 inch of hair. So just continue like that, picking 2 strands of hair, skipping 1 row, 2 strands of hair, skipping 1 row, until you reach 1 inch.
You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you.
So guys, right here I'm done ventilating 1 inch like that. I've measured right there. So right there, after ventilating 1 inch, I'm going to crochet braids on the remaining part of the line that I'm going to do right here. So just take your braids and crochet them, pass your crochet through your lace, then put your braid on the hook, then pull it out. Pull one side out, then leave one side. I'm not going to tie a knot because I want my my cornrows to be as flat as possible. If you tie knots, they will be a little bit bumpy. So just pull one side and leave one side on the other side. Don't tie knots like that until you finish the entire line that you want to do. Then we can start braiding. So right here I'm going to section out just a little bit of hair. Then I'm going to take my braiding hair, and then I'm going to crisscross it, a bigger piece and a smaller piece. Then I will put it right there on the hair, and I will start doing my cornrows like that. So I'm going to braid about 4 to 5 times before I start adding another piece of hair. So just braid like that about 4 to 5, then you can start adding your hair. Make sure it's just it's not too much, it's just a few hair. So I'm putting my hair like that, then braid one side and let go of one side, then put it on the cornrows. It's hard to explain, guys. This is self-explanatory. You can see what I'm doing right there. And I will also show you another method of how you can add your hair when doing your cornrows. So just keep watching, guys. Then after you're done adding your hair, you can start taking the hair that you crocheted, take one side at a time, then braid as you go. Take one side, braid it, then go to the other side, take it, braid it, take braid until you finish the entire part that you did your cornrows. This way your cornrow will be really flat. That's why I say right there that we won't be tying knots, because we want it to be as flat as possible. So just braid like that until you finish. Yeah.
You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
So when you reach the length that you want, you can just tie a knot right there, and this is how it's looking, guys. Do let me know what you think about this method in the comment section. So right there, I'm just sectioning the hair and the braid, and this is the other method that I was telling you. Add the braids from the sides like that. You take your braid, add it from the side, and you braid. You won't be doing the first method that you braid one side, let go of the other, then put it back. You just be putting it from the side and you braid as you go, and take the hair from the other side and do your cornrow like that. So guys, you can start off by ventilating all the hair or on the part that you want to ventilate your hair, then do your crochet as you do your lines. So I'm going to show you right here how to do it. You can just ventilate 1 inch of hair on the part that you want to ventilate like that. I'm ventilating, picking 2 strands of hair and skipping 1 row, ventilating 1 inch. This way it will be easy than counting the lines, 5 lines, 5 lines, then 5 lines. This way you just know that you want to ventilate 1 inch on the part that you want to ventilate your hair. So after that, you can then section the hair according to how many lines you want to achieve on that section. So right there, I've sectioned my hair, and after that you can crochet your braid going in lines. Just crochet your braid like that. Then after you're done crocheting your braids, you can then start doing your cornrows. Yeah, like that. Then I'm going to start doing my cornrows. Just section a little piece of hair, then add your braiding extensions and start doing your cornrows. And on this one, I'm also going to be adding the braid extension from the side like that. Braid, 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 and add from the side.
And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.
So guys, I'm done braiding the closure part, and this is how it's looking. And at the back I'm going to do single braids. I'm not showing much at the back because I do have videos where I showed I explained a lot on this part. Just crochet your braids like that at the back, then you can take another section, then you can braid it, connecting it with the braid that you crocheted like that. So I will link a video in the description, or you can go and check it out, and you can get better understanding on how to do this. So right here I'm just going to braid one. Right here I'm going to show you right here one, then I will show you how I put my beads. So I bought 6 pack of beads, and in each pack there were 106, 105, I don't know, right there, and there were only about 20 left out of all those 6 packs. It's what this wig is like. It's heavy, it's a little bit heavy because of the beads. So I'm putting 4 beads like that using my crochet. Then I will measure with the others to see the length. If it's the same, then I will tie a knot at the end. So just put your bead on your crochet, then put your braid on your crochet, then pull the beads through, putting them on your braid. Measure, then tie the ends. After doing this, you can then cut with scissors at the ends right there. Cut with the scissors. Then I'm going to use a candle to bend the ends to make sure that it is secure, it won't unravel, the beads won't come off. So just bend the ends like that. And I'm also going to show you how I put the beads right there at the front. Just take your crochet, put your beads, 4. I'm also putting 4 right here at the front. Then pull your beads through your braid to the length that you want. Then also do it again, and after you're done putting your beads, you can then tie a knot at the end where your beads are ending. Then you can cut off the excess braid, and you can also bend with a candle to secure it, make sure that it won't unravel. Then after doing this, we're going to put our hair in hot water.
When all I can is thinking about you, not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here, it's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
So I'm going to add my Revlon conditioner and hot water. Then I'm going to put my wig starting from the ends. Then I'm going to dip all of it, including the closure part. Then I will remove it, and then I will let it dry overnight, or you can just put it outside to sun dry. Then when it's dry, you can rock your wig, and this is how it's looking. Yay! I'm loving it, guys. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about this wig, I'm loving it. I'm in love with it. And guys, if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. And if you're already subscribed, but thank you so much for coming back. You're the best. And guys, share to your friends, share to your family, share to anybody. Please share, like, comment, guys. And thank you so much, guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll be seeing you in my next video. If you have any suggestion, anything you want me to change, do say in the description. I will read all your comments and I'll also reply. So guys, this is all for today. Goodbye.